Sikkim is a state where natural beauty is abundant. But do you have any idea about the abundant dangers our beautiful state faces today? One person in average dumps about 1,000 kilos of waste per year. So just imagine 6,13,000 people dumping their garbage in Sikkim every year. Have you ever thought about the amount of plastics, tires and heaps of garbage you've burnt? Secretly emptied the dustbin in the nearby drain? Buried it underground or quietly left the garbage bag near your neighbor's house? So apart from the dangerously furious neighbor, what else are the hazards of such waste disposal? Along with the strong pungent smoke, burning of waste releases a very harmful toxin called the dioxins. The way it's released in the air, these dioxins spread around causing cancer, damaging the respiratory system, the kidney, liver, and it could also be responsible for various complications during pregnancy too. The effects of burning waste is very hazardous. Even dumping garbage in the drain and burying them underground has severe effects. We throw our garbage in the drain or bury them thinking it's just going to float somewhere far away from our home, or it'll probably just rot and decompose. Not a genius thought. Ever thought what would happen if this same waste returns back to your home? The poisonous dioxins present in your garbage after disposal slowly starts to leak and spread underground. It eventually accumulates in your water sources and settles in the water pipes and mixes with your drinking water from the cracks. And this way the same garbage that you once threw enters your home now with an even more poisonous form. It's not just the drinking water, but these poisonous dioxins are so harmful that after spreading underground, it even makes your soil a dangerous reservoir of poisonous chemicals. This method of burial is so dangerous that it's often termed as the time bomb of the future. So now the question arises, what do we do? How do we solve this garbage problem? Let's see. Now 1,000 kilos of garbage is not going to give you 1,000 rupees in return. But if you learn to manage it properly, you sure can earn something out of it. Now you may also ask, but how is this possible? It's no magic. It's pretty simple. For example, those glass bottles are sellable. Instead of throwing them, you can always sell them. You will earn, and so will the collector too. Don't just throw away those clothes. You can always craft something stylish out of it. Save money in your own style, or you can always share it with those in need of clothes too. And don't just throw away that piece of furniture just because it broke a leg. Fix it or get it fixed by someone. These ways you can give employment, and you can also save your money from buying a new one. Reuse is the smart word of today. Sadly, there are various other stuff you need to get rid of. Stuff that you might not be able to reuse. But think about it again. They might not be reused, but their materials can be recycled, like glass, metal, cardboard and paper, etc. There are numerous ways of recycling these materials into creative and beautiful artifacts. And then we have our electronic wastes. What we often fail to realize is that some of the small parts of these electronic wastes are so essential that it's either very hard to find or it could be very expensive to buy in the market. So knowing their perfect value, there are government centers and private shops in Sikkim that buy these electronic wastes. A smart way where you can reduce, earn, save just by recycling your electronic wastes in the right way. Understanding our need correctly creates lesser waste, and proper learning how to reject these wastes is the best answer. Using washable utensils instead of plastic ones. Though it's a bit of hard work, but if you consider the amount of waste every party, picnic or gathering, you know it's absolutely worth it. Reduce your plastic wastes. Instead of using small shampoo sachets, you can always buy a full bottle. You can always get your own safe drinking water from your home instead of buying them. Buy supplies that can be refilled and recharged. Now these are some of the very interesting ways you can effectively save your money, time and your waste, which will in turn save your own environment and then your home. A fair amount of manure can be produced from your garbage too, which will further aid in organic production. It's supremely important that you need to separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable garbage in two different and distinctly colored bins. If the waste gets mixed, then it becomes literally impossible to separate them and nothing can be achieved from it. So in order to manage your own waste in the best way possible, your support with a little effort is absolutely important and necessary. The Rural Management and Development Department under the government of Sikkim has been making tremendous effort in making Sikkim a zero-waste state. Various programs and workshops have been conducted statewide, encouraging panchayats, local entrepreneurs, civilians and students alike about the grave importance of waste management.
Through this documentary, we actually wish to get people sensitized that waste cannot be ignored anymore, and it is about time. It is a wake-up call that we all need to take.
अहिले यो प्याकेजिङ गरेको सामानहरू बाहिरबाट आउने हुना कारणले गर्दाखेरि र यहाँ पनि जति पनि यहाँको प्रोडक्टहरू पनि अहिले प्याकेज गर्ने जुन सिस्टम छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि मैलाको उत्पादन चाहिँ एकदम बढी मात्रामा हुँदैछ, जसले गर्दाखेरि यो एउटा समस्याको एउटा सृजना हुँदैछ र यसलाई कसरी व्यवस्थापन गर्नुपर्ने भन्ने कुरामा ग्रामीण एवं प्रबन्धन विकास विभागले जोडतोडले यसमा काम गरिराखेको छ।
प्लास्टिक जुन चाहिँ थर्मोकोलहरू हामीले टोटली हामीले एकदम ब्यान गरेको छौँ। जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो यो सानो एउटा बजार छ गेथाङ बजार, त्यो बजारमा हामीले जतिवटा बजारमा दोकानहरू छ सबहरू छ, हामीले त्यहाँ पनि एकदम स्ट्रिक्टली बेच्नु नपाइने हामीले एउटा नोटिफाई गर्यौँ
र हामीले जुन 2-4 पञ्चायत युनिटमा रिसोर्स रिकभरी सेन्टर भनेर पनि सुरु गरेका छौँ, जहाँ त्यो जति पनि मैला हुन्छ त्यसलाई त्यहाँ लाने, तर त्यसको सुरुवातमै सेग्रिगेसन गरेर चाहिँ जो चाहिँ त्यहाँ मलमा परिणत हुन सक्छ त्यसलाई लाने, जो हुन सक्दैन त्यो छुट्याएर सिधै स्क्रैप डिलरलाई बेच्ने। त्यसो गर्दाखेरि त्यो दुईटै पनि मैला चिजबाट पनि पैसा उमार्ने हाम्रो त्यो एउटा आइडिया पनि हो र यो जुन खतरा छ यसबाट कति सक्दो बचाउन सकिन्छ त्यो पनि हाम्रो कोसिस हो। र अहिलेसम्म हामीले चाहिँ कमसेकम 400 जस्तो रिसोर्स पर्सन्सहरू पनि यसको लागि ट्रेनिङ गराएर सबै डिस्ट्रिक्टभरि हामीले छापो यो पुर्याइसकेका छौँ।
नचाहिने कुरोहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ के गर्छौँ भन्दाखेरि यहाँनिर त्यसबाट चाहिँ केही कुरो बनाउन सक्यौँ र जस्तै म्यागी र वाइवाइजको ऱ्यापर्सहरू चाहिँ हामीले कुसन बनायौँ।
लास्ट इयर हामीले ड्युरिङ एनुअल फङ्सन वी ह्याड दिस हाउस कम्पिटिसन, अनि त्यो हाउस कम्पिटिसनमा चाहिँ हामीले वेस्टबाटै केही चिजहरू बनाउने, क्रिएटिभ थिङ्सहरू बनाउने भनेर भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एन्ड वान अफ द इक्जाम्पल इज दिस ब्रुम, उनीहरूले यो झाडु बनाएको छ एन्ड इट्स भेरी नाइस, यति राम्रो छ यो झाडु क्या त।
हामीले हाम्रो विभागमै एउटा ई वेस्ट म्यानेजमेन्ट भनेर एउटा युनिट पनि हामीले खोलेको छौँ, हाम्रो अफिसभित्रै छ र यो चाहिँ हामीले आइटी डिपार्टमेन्टसँग टाइअप गरेको छौँ र जति पनि यहाँ कलेक्सन हुन्छ यो चाहिँ आइटी डिपार्टमेन्ट लिएर बाहिर पठाउने एउटा व्यवस्था गरेको छ। हामीले यो गरेर चाहिँ अरूलाई पनि देखाउँदा एउटा डेमोन्स्ट्रेसन पनि होस् भनेर हामीले गरेको छौँ, ताकि सबै विभागले हाम्रोबाट सिकोस्।
प्रब्लम इज ग्लोबल बट वी शुड एक्ट लोकली।
मैला पनि एउटा हामीले त्यसलाई ठिक जग्गामा प्रयोग गरे पनि त्यो चाहिँ रिसोर्स केही कुरोमा काम लाग्छ है, त्यसले नै रिसोर्सेसहरू या रिसोर्स बनिन्छ भनेर
हामीले सुरुवाती यो कदम हो र यसमा सबैको जागरुकता छ भनेदेखि यसले अवश्य पनि सफलता पाउनेछ र हामी बडा स्वास्थ्यकर लामो समयसम्म स्वास्थ्यकर बस्नेछौँ भन्ने चाहिँ हाम्रो अडान छ।
The world of this waste is never ending, and no matter how much we try and work on it, we'll always be in and around all sorts of wastes. The questions may be too complicated, but all the little answers are alive in us. Light our minds with the hopes and ideas of an organic and a waste-free Sikkim.